assemble your new BenchMK, you only need to attach the frame to the base and install the operation lever. Make sure to tighten the handle securely so the threads don't become loose and bend over time. The BenchMK arrives calibrated and ready to seam your first can. You will need to attach a power drill to the hex shaft at the top of the seamer and securely lock the chuck. Almost any drill will work, and a speed of at least 300 RPM is preferred. Before you get started, it's helpful to move the operation lever each way to get a feel for where it stops. To seam a can, first make sure the operation lever is in position 0. Place the can and lid onto the base adapter and lean the can back against the can guide. Lift the splash guard handle until it locks the can into place. While running your drill, push the operation lever toward position 1 until the roller makes contact with the can, then continue all the way to the stop, taking at least 2 seconds, and then back to 0. Repeat that timing to the position 2 stop, then back to 0. If your drill slows down or stalls, you may need to take more time before reaching the stop. Lower the splash guard to remove the seamed can. The steps are easy, but it's important to get it right. Do not run operation 2 before 1. Do not repeat operation 1 after 2, or hold either operation at the stop longer than a second. We recommend wiping the seamer down at the end of each use with a warm wet rag. A small amount of sanitizer or dish soap works great, and we do not recommend any harsh chemicals or cleaners. To better clean the splash guard, remove the quick release pin. Periodically, or after long canning runs, pull the lower adapter off the bearing to wipe down the bearing and wave spring. Dry them off and add a dab of food-grade grease before reinstalling. Remove the lifter shaft to clean and grease it regularly. About every 500 cans, you should remove the rollers to thoroughly clean and re-grease. Make sure to not over-tighten when reinstalling. Overall, the BenchMK is very simple to use, and you should feel like a pro in no time. For more information, check out our other videos or visit our website.